Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. Google just dropped its most powerful AI model yet, Gemini. But what is it, and how will it change the world? Let's dive in. Google Gemini is a next-generation AI model, capable of human-like reasoning, problem-solving, and creative expression. It's been trained on a massive dataset of text, code, images, and even video, making it truly multimodal. Key features: multimodal, understands and interacts with the world through various formats. Code generation, writes high-quality code in multiple languages. Multitask language understanding, scores 90.0%, outperforming human experts. Available in different sizes, Ultra, Pro, and Nano cater to various needs. Impact of Google Gemini. Gemini has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare and education to science and entertainment. Imagine AI assistants that truly understand your needs and help you achieve your goals. Imagine doctors using AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. This is just the beginning. Currently, Gemini is not yet available for public use, but Google has plans to release it in phases, starting with developers and researchers. As the technology matures, it will become more accessible to the public. Is it free or paid? The pricing model for Gemini is still under development. However, it's likely that different versions will be offered with varying access levels and price points. Stay tuned for further updates on the release of Google Gemini. This could be the dawn of a new era in AI, and you won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.